In this video, we will see how to download the app and how to clean the app. To download, open your browser and type skymaps.in. It will show you the link to download the app. Click and download this app. After download, click to install this app. Open this app. Click while using the app. Whenever you first time download this app, you will get some sample data to work in this app. So if you want to start a new project, first clean the demo data. Setting, click on settings, empty tables. Click all the tables for clean. After selecting all the tables, click OK and then click empty storage. The storage is clean, but once more go to settings, click app, search SkyMap, click on SkyMap, click on storage and clean data. Now your app is ready to use and totally cleaned. Now you go to the app. It will ask for your username password. Enter your username password to use this app.